How to find your Target REDcard bill online or in store. Hey everybody, in today's video we will be guiding you through the process, so without any delay let's just dive right into the video. So first of all, you may just head over to target.com if you're wanting to do it online or the application. After that, you may just go ahead and sign it into your account in the top right corner. Look out for this option right here, and once you are there, you may just go ahead and find the Target credit card or Target MasterCard or Target debit card account within your application. For that, once you tap on your profile at the top, you may scroll down from the given options, or you can directly look out for your manage account option, tap on it. And once you tap on it here, you may just head over and from this option, scroll down, look for payment option, tap on it. And once you are under payments, you can look out for the card that you've added. Now you can just go ahead and select the pay now or similar option to begin the payment process. And once you are there, you may just go ahead and initiate the process, like select the amount you wish to pay, the payment date, and the source of funds for your red card bill online. And you can review your payment information and finalize the transaction within the application just by doing so. If you're trying to go ahead and visit the uh, Target in store, you can just go to the guest services desk at any Target store location. Inform the team member that you want to make a payment on Target credit card or Target MasterCard. After that, you can share the necessary information, such as the amount and payment method, and the team member will process the payment for you. And that's it. So, therefore, you may follow up this method if you would like to pay your Target Red Card bill online or in store. So, I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.